And these are live visuals coming in from Mumbai Airport. Team India has landed at the Mumbai Airport, and any minute now we can expect them make their way out of the exit gates. Simultaneously, these are live visuals that we are picking up from Mumbai. Remember, a 1 kilometer victory parade will take place shortly after the cricketers make their way out of the Mumbai Airport. And we can see buses line up already for the men in blue. So a lot of excitement in Mumbai this evening and big plans in place for the men in blue who have returned with a glorious victory with the World Cup, and they're shining for the entire country as we speak. Visuals coming in really speak of the kind of excitement we see across Mumbai. People in long queues waiting at the Mumbai airport for hours at length for that one glimpse of their favorite cricketer. As on expected lines, it's going to be a repeat of what we saw at the Delhi airport early this morning, close to 7 a.m. when the cricketers made their way out of the airport with the trophy in their hand. All smiles and, of course, a heartfelt, warm welcome extended by the Delhiites. That's what's expected in Mumbai as well in just a short while from now. In fact, any minute we can expect the cricketers make their way out of the Mumbai airport. And these are visuals coming in. Remember, a kilometer-long victory parade, like I said, from Nariman Point, which will begin shortly after. And you can see a sea of cricket supporters, fans, call them what you may, but all of them there for a big cheer for the entire team. So they're there to cheer the men in blue after the grand victory. The T20 World Cup is ours, and the men in blue have been sharing those very important, crucial, emotions that they've been going through. Remember, a little while earlier in the afternoon, they also held a quick interaction with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So it's been their day, a day they truly deserved, and the entire nation is congratulating them on this historic feat. Live visuals coming in from Mumbai. I want to though quickly take in a word from my colleague Yasha, who is live with us from Mumbai Airport. Yasha, over to you. Take us through the scenes there. Our cameras, of course, waiting for that one glimpse when we see them make their way out of the Mumbai Airport. What's going on there?
In fact, let me tell you what just happened right here. So this is Surya Kumar Yadav's car. That is the team bus, the two buses that have been lined up for the team, and just behind the bus is the entry. Right behind me, you can see these fans who waited for, say, 2 hours to get a glimpse of their favorite cricketer. The buses were supposed to move and block their view, but the fans, in fact, called out to the bus to ask them to move the bus behind so they could get a glimpse of their favorite cricketer. And right here, we see the fans clearly want to get a glimpse of their favorite cricketer, which is where the buses are being asked to move behind so that these fans can see and can welcome their favorite cricketer, which comes out. In fact, we'll try to speak to some of these fans who've gathered so far. They're all calling for the vehicles to be behind. They want to get a glimpse of their favorite cricketer right here.
Rohit, Kohli, bus ko piche lo, bus ko piche. Piche lo, piche. Piche lo, hit the man. Rohit Sharma.
Okay, so you see the buses have been kept behind now for the fans to get a glimpse of the cricketers coming out. It is almost like a demigod celebration that these cricketers who land in Mumbai now will be getting. The excitement was just building up since the last 2 hours, and now is in fact the time, because anytime now we'll see the cricketers in fact coming out from this very gate. In fact, right inside the airport as well, celebrations have begun. We saw that there were staff from the airport who started gathering with flags right inside, and here you see hundreds of people who gathered from end to end